Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Life can only be understood backwards, but we have to live it forwards. Memoir of a Snail 2020 directed by Adam Elliott. Grace Pudell is a lonely misfit with an affinity for collecting ornamental snails and an intense love for books. At a young age, when Grace is separated from her twin brother Gilbert, she falls into a spiral of anxiety and angst. Despite a continued series of hardships, inspiration and hope emerge when she strikes up an enduring friendship with an elderly, eccentric woman named Pinky, who is full of grit and lust for life. Memoir of a Snail is a 2020 Australian adult stop-motion animated tragicomedy film from Academy Award-winning animation writer and director Adam Elliott. Memoir of a Snail is a poignant, heartfelt, hilarious chronicle of the life of an outsider finding her confidence and silver linings amongst the clutter of everyday life.
Scanned every one of these drawings and put it into this editing software. We added some temporary voices and temporary music.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And that's the map that everyone uses in the camera department to see how we're going, what is the mood of the scene, what is the speed, the tempo, all those sorts of things.
I've always liked films caged in. It was a shock to be born from the show. I was named Grace Puddle. My twin brother, Gilbert.
I've deliberately tried to avoid any sort of refined look in a film. Every prop set and character we want to look sort of a bit broken. We do want to put a lot of dry brushing, and that's where you just get a tiny bit of paint on the brush and you go over and give it that sort of look. It'd be much easier just to make everything shiny and sleek. But I think the end result really gives all the props a lot of character. Okay, I thought I'd take you into one of our biggest stages, stage 1. And at the moment this is where we're shooting our version of Brunswick Street. And for our international viewers, Brunswick Street is a very famous street here in Melbourne. We have probably 12 different buildings and everything has what I call a chunky, walking, I was born in what's called a physiological premise. So in other words, I have this slight shape. So I have trouble drawing a straight line, and I have trouble sculpting very finesse and puppets. So my style of use has developed because of this, and I embrace my imperfect flaw and it will turn it into my aesthetic. Here we have a big giant greyhound bus. This is a scene where the two main characters as children are being separated. So it's a very dramatic and poignant part of the film. This is one of our puppets. This is Denise Floyd. She's one of our supporting cast. She's a child services officer. This is a good one too to show you how we use magnets. So we use a lot of magnets in the film to hold the characters together and also animate them. This is also a silicon arm. So this little arm has got little bits of wire in it so we can bend the arm into whatever position we want. So the characters aren't just plasticine, and actually this character has virtually no plasticine. Most of it is rock solid material called sculpting. Hair's all made of wire, of course a lot of hand paintings gone into this character, no airbrushing. Little shoes there, just made of clay as well. Wire shoelaces. So yeah, she's one of my favourite sort of supporting cast characters. We have over 200 characters in the film, and every single one of them has been handmade. There's nothing that's been 3D printed or mass produced. These are all individually bespoke puppets. Stage 8, here we are, and this is third of the way through the film where Grace has just started hoarding and filling up her bedroom with anything to do with Snail. So Mark, one of our crew here, has been doing some beautiful static shots of bits and pieces within Grace's room. This is Alex. He's one of our sculptors. Alex whipped up this incredible head of Fidel Castro. So we have Fidel Castro in the film playing ping pong with our lead actor Pinky, who's played by Jackie Weaver. So as you can see here, there's a little black pupil, and you can see I'm just moving around with my finger, and that's actually a little tiny high-powered magnet covered in plasticine, and we paint a little tiny white dot there to act as a reflection. It means the animator can move that pupil around wherever we like. The other thing we do are blinks, so every blink is a little plasticine eyelid that we stick on. If it's a slow blink, there's sort of 3 or 4 little eyelids that have to go on. And as you can imagine, we've got very skillful hands to do this. So because of my shakes, I can't actually do it, but we have animators who are very skilled at this.
It's about moving forwards. Smiles never come back over their trials. Set yourself free.
The film had its world premiere at the 2020 for Annecy International Animation Film Festival on the 10th of June 2024 and was released in Australia by Madman Entertainment on the 17th of October 2024. It was nominated for Best Animated Feature at the 97th Academy Awards. Thank you for watching.